DIY with Ollie. Arts, crafts, yummy treats, lots to do, lots to eat. Come and join in the fun. Let's get making, let's get baking, let's get arty and messy. DIY with Ollie.com.
Welcome to DIY with Ollie. Today we gonna make a microphone like in the movie Sing. Okay, let's go make it. Today we got me toilet paper roll, silver, glitter ornament, paintbrush, silver paint, and glue gun. First we have painted silver. At first you have to glue around the top, then you put the ornament on. It's done! We have microphone. With the let go, I wonder where that sky will go, let it go. The perfect girl is gone. Here I stand, and here what a story. Do you like the movie? Like and subscribe, please.